Hello class, welcome to the third module of COM 491. In this module we continue to look at specific ethical theories, and there are three different chapters that we'll look at. The first one looks at consequentialist perspectives, and this perspective I think rings true for many people in terms of how they might make ethical decisions in dilemmas that they might face. And so what they're looking at is what's the greatest good for the greatest number of people, and that's what the utilitarian or consequentialist perspectives look at. Then the next chapter in this module takes really a more sharper focus on interpersonal communication. And for example, Martin Buber's I-thou versus I-it communication looks at how we can communicate with other people and treat them as other human beings in the present moment, as opposed to treating them as objects based on habits that we might have formed in the past. And then the third chapter in this module looks at more contemporary ethical perspectives, particularly the postmodern and feminist perspectives. So the postmodern perspective clearly denounces any viewpoint that there could be a universal form of ethical decision making. So duty ethics, for example, is rejected by the postmodernist. Then the other perspective that's looked at in this chapter is the feminist perspective. And this viewpoint really looks at how do we make decisions during ethical dilemmas that reflect the care that we have, care and concern that we might have for other people in our lives. So I hope you enjoy this continued look at the different ethical perspectives, and that you're able to find some perspectives that you relate to in terms of your own ethical values, and that you might be able to use to apply for the final paper in the course.